Two objects, each of mass 1.5 kg, are moving in the same straight line but in opposite directions. The velocity of each object is 2.5 meter per second before the collision during which they stick together. What will be the velocity of the combined object after collision? So the question is, two objects are traveling in straight line but they are taking the opposite directions. After collision, they will definitely change their velocity. We don't know what is that. So the aim of the question is to find out that. So let's start with what they have given in the question. The masses of the object are equal. So I'm writing m1 is equal to m2 is equal to 1.5 kg. And the velocity of the first object is u1 is equal to 2.5 meter per second. And the second object as well is 2.5 meter per second. But the second object will take the negative velocity. Why? Because it travels in the opposite direction. And moreover, we use the term u because it is the velocity before collision. If it is after collision, we use the term v. So we are going to estimate what is the momentum before collision. For that, we will be using the formula m1u1 plus m2u2. Substitute all the values from the data, where 1.5 into 2.5 plus 1.5 into minus 2.5 will vanish out to 0. So after which we have to find out the momentum after collision. But before that, we know only the mass. So let's calculate the masses. m1 plus m2 is equal to 3 kg. After collision, we are not sure what is the velocity. That we are going to find out. So we are going to apply the law of conservation of momentum, where momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. So momentum before collision we have found out to be 0. So 0 is equated to mass into velocity. Mass, we have found out that after collision the masses are 3. 0 is equal to 3 into v. So v is equal to 0 meter per second. Thank you.